So let's move on. The three dots, click on it. We have contact us report bug, so you can contact them if you're having issue with your Pixellab, in which I'm not having right now, so I don't need it. Tutorials, here are short tutorials that you can watch on Pixellab of how to add text and images. Do you even know that Pixellab is initially for text on images? Do you know? Like, between you and I, do you know? This is just funny. I'm actually curious of the person that first make use of this app to create a design. Like, for real, bro, how do you do that? But let's get back to the point. So I love this aspect as well. I think I will have to do something really quick. Who is this guy? Yeah, I don't have money yet, but I have to put you here so you can let me do my video in peace. Now let's go back to, we've already talked about tutorials. If you want to watch short tutorials on introduction to Pixellab and how to add text to images and stuff, which we are already doing here, I don't think you will need it again. So recover autosave, I love this bro too. I love him, he's looking good. If you click on it, you'll be able to get various steps of designs that we've taken so far that are automatically saved on the design. So if on the app, I mean, so if you are working on the app and your gadget went off, or your phone, or you just have to restart your phone, or the app just go down, or anything just happened that makes you close the app one way or the other, you can always come back to auto resave here, and you click on a time frame and the design will be there again. And if you leave the app, if you initially leave the app and you get back to the app, it will ask you for, if you want your previous design to be back, you just click on OK, and then it will return you to the actual place that you left the work. We will test run that right now, so I just try to explain to you. So if you click on anyone, let's just think of anyone. Let me just click on this one right here. So let's just click on OK. So can you see it brings us back some design we did? So if you click on auto resave, let me click the last one here. Can you see the initial interface that we saw while opening this app? It was brought back to us. So that's just how this one really works. And if I click on the first one at the top, it might bring me back the one we were there before, that thumbnail one. Can you see? That's just it. And if I do this, remove the app, then off the data and open the app again, can you see an autosave of your last session is available? Do you want to recover it? So it is now your choice. Do you want to recover it? Cancel. Okay, for me, I'm choosing okay. So I get it back. You can choose cancel and you don't get it back since you don't like the work. So I come to win. I like that. So let's see, click on the three dots, open PLP file, and this is your project again. This open PLP file, saving as project on Pixellab is actually called PLP file. So if you click on this place, it will open your project. Can you see? Same thing, and this is it here. If you are wondering, PLP, so this PLP file here, and I feel I should talk about this and this here. So you can just check mark on this if you are done with what you are doing here. Probably you want to delete or you want to share your project. So if you just click on delete, let me find one project that I actually want to delete. I don't want to delete anything, so it's just your choice. Once you are done, you can click on the check mark and it will return you back to the page. Or if you feel like you're not doing anything here, you click on it, take you back. And if you click on the one in the middle, so now you can change the way it is arranged. Do you want it day descending, date ascending, name descending, name ascending? The way you want it to arrange, that's how it would work here. And if you click on the PLP file, it will open your files, whereby you get to check. This one actually works for if someone share you a PLP file and you saved it on your device. Now you want to get it into your Pixellab. I think I have one here. Let me click on. Can you see? Can you see this? Can you see this PLP? All these PLP files. These are all PLP files. So if I click on, which one should I use right now? Let me click on. Let me click on this. So you see, it said opening project watermark PLP. That's the name I gave it on the other device. So do you want to add to your project as well? You can open only or open and add. For me, I want to open and add. I made this design on another device entirely, and right now I'm having it here inside my Pixellab by just sharing the PLP file. So I don't know what's going on with this guy. Just go back, and now I have it here. Can you see? It's just a watermark I created. So let me just change the background. Can you see? So these are the layers that I used in the previous one. I think I'm going ahead. So that's just how, if you click on this PLP file, that's just how it works. So if you click on this PLP file, this PLP here, you can use it to add your PLP file to your Pixellab if someone share it to you. So it's easier for you when you work on your design and you want to get it, or you saw a design online and the person was like, okay, I use Pixellab, okay, can you share me the PLP file? I want to check it out and stuff. If they are good enough to share it with you, because it's not an easy thing to just share PLP file like that. It's not easy. So that's just it. Let me get back to, I'm going to auto save, and I want to recover my thumbnail. I come to win. So I will finish. Yeah, about this is just about the app itself, and here you can click exit if you want to exit the app. So if you click here, it will ask you again, I like them for that. Are you sure you want to exit Pixellab UI? Yes, I want to exit. No, me, I'm not leaving here. So let's go to this one here, edit, click on it. This edit here is reflecting, and this delete is reflecting because I click on this guy here. So if you click on any element or anything inside this design that you add to this design, these two will pop up for you to know, do you want to delete or you want to edit. And if you are clicking on this, rather than using these two functions here, there are shortcuts down here as well. So if you click on this guy, which is image, you can click on this one that looks like logo here. In some cases it will look like two, like a two something. I just like to call it two, but this time around in this app it's looking like a logo, but it's still the same thing over all the apps. So it will just be this 5 function down here, and this guy will be the one in charge of images, shapes, and any other thing that just image or shape, it works for it. So if you click on it, you'll be able to see functions like delete, crop, copy to front to back and everything, reselect and stuff like that. And that's literally part of what these people do here. So instead of coming up here, you can just do whatever you want to do here. You can see delete here. So this guy too is deleting, and it has edit. This edit will not give you many key functions if you click on it, in which they are available here. So I don't go up here, I come down here. I actually like up, but for this app I go to the lower part. So here you can copy, which you can see copy there. This is sizing. This one is for the size. It's also here if I scroll it or if I drag it to the left side, and this is for sizing it. What did I mean? Positioning it array. I mean positioning it within or side of the design, and this is to send it to the back of the design, and this is to send it to the front of the design. You are not getting it actually. What is sending it to the back, what is sending it to the front? Don't worry, let me give you a quick explanation on that. Can you see right now that this guy is standing right behind this text? Now you want him to be over the text should be behind him. Yeah, I want the text to be behind him, so I can just click on this one here. It's also the same thing that is here to front. Can you see this one even have text under it that you'll be able to get it when you are just going through it? So you see this one to front. If you click on to front now, the guy will come to the front. You see now that the guy is over the text, so that's how that works. And if you click on to back, the guy will be behind the text. It will be behind the text entirely. So that's it. And now let's move on. This is for you to delete it if you want to delete it. And this, if you click on this delete, they will ask you unnecessary question, because you might be very sure sometimes that you just want to delete this thing and you want to delete it, but they will ask you unnecessary question. But if you click on here, you delete immediately, very free and easy. Just click on it, delete. You see unnecessary question, and click on this one, delete. The guy is gone, no time. But now this arrow here, you can use this arrow to undo what you've done before, just the way I did right now. When I click on this delete here, now I want the guy to come back. I've mistakenly deleted him. I don't want him to be deleted, in which the option I pressed, they didn't ask me if I actually want to delete it. It just went away. So now I want the guy back. Just click on this arrow, the guy will be back. And now I've done some other steps in which if I click on this arrow here, the steps will be repeated. That is undo for you. Unfortunately enough, Pixellab did not have redo, and that's one thing that I feel like the app is lacking. They should just add redo to Pixellab. I'm begging them, they should add redo. At least if you undo something, now I bring the guy back, I still don't want him again. It's not that I mistakenly deleted him, I still don't want him, so I should be able to redo. Or I mistakenly undo the guy, now I want to get him back just as fast as possible. I can't do that. I'll just have to keep on doing it. Now if I click on this button now, the guy will be back here, and that's just it. I think that's all. It's not going again, so this is just it. If I move the guy here now, if I click here, he will be back there. But if I want to move him back to the place I took him from, I can't do that, and that's what the app is not having right now. Now this arrow, this one here, we've already done it before. It's just the scaling option where you can click on it and zoom into your design. Use your 2 finger to zoom and 2 finger to adjust the zooming, and 1 finger to drag it to wherever you want to drag it. So, and one thing, a quick short step, when you click on it this way, if you click here, it will magnet it to that actual ratio that you size it for. Like if you enlarge it this way, okay, I want it this way. Now by dragging it around, you won't be able to edit this guy, but I want to drag this guy right now. How can I do that? You click on this place here, this sign here, click on it, then it will stop. Now you can drag this guy to the way you want him to be. So this is how I want it. Now you want to adjust it back, click on it again and drag it down. That's just it. And now here is a shortcut that, okay, you drag it, you enlarge it to this size. Now you want it back immediately as it was. Now click on this one. If you click on it, it will go back immediately as the normal size. So click on it, that's it, and click here and it's back to normal. You can do the guy the way you want him. Sorry, we are just stressing you. So now to this guy that look like a net, this net guy here. Why am I calling all these tools guy? I don't know. So this net, if you click on it, this is your grid. This net line is the grid. Sorry, I didn't mention it before clicking it. Is the grid. You can use it to align your work very well. You want everything to align. You click on it, And after clicking on it, you see that various lines as appears. How do you make use of this? You do it here. You can see a settings here, so this is how you adjust the line. To you, if you click on this place right now, if you click on this thing right now, you'll be able to adjust all these lines. And if you click on this, it will turn on magnets, in which if you move elements, you move any elements from here, if you move this guy or this text, it will automatically be magneting it with the lines. Once it's touching the line, it will be collecting it from you. I don't know how to put that for you to understand, but let's quickly do the practical. So let's click on it. Can you see the line is now showing yellow line? So I just drag this here and this one upper here, and you can use this to align your design very well. I mean very well, not just random alignment. Use your grid when you are designing. If you are not new to design word, if you are not new here, so always make use of your grid. Now this one you can use this. Let me just take it one after the other. So this one you can use it to add more line, and this you can use it to add slant line, the way it's lying down. I don't know which one is horizontal or vertical. So you can use this one to add straight line, just the way this one is straight, and this one slant line, this the way is lying down, landscape and portrait. I think that one explains it. So let me just click on it. Can you see I've added another line? I can add more. If you want me to, I can add more. So I'm not limited to any lines. And for the slant one, if I click on it, can you see it's adding these lines? Can you see it has added it? Now I don't want all these lines that I've added, so I'll just click on this one here, this next one, the third one. I'll just click on it. It has cancelled anyone that is on the yellow line, that is on in the light. If you click on the cancel, it will be deleted. So cancel it and it is gone. It's gone for life, gone. If you want it again, you add it the way we did before. So I want all this one gone. And for this one, you can actually use it to position your line very well. Probably you've moved this guy away from here, and now you want it to be at the center. So if you just click on it, this fourth one, if you click on this fourth one, you'll be able to set a ratio. Okay, position is right now is 23%. Now I want him at 50%. Okay, so you can just drag it here. I didn't see that before, so I want him at 50%. Now 50% positioning is actually at the center of the design. Now the line will be at the center. Can you see that? That's a magic, right? I did a magic. Get the app and you'll be able to do the same trick I'm doing. Now if you click on this one, you'll be able to set how many lines you want on this design here, how many grids you want to work with. So if you click on it, you're able to set 3x3 or 3x2 or 3x20, anyhow you want it. 3x3, let's just go with 3x3. Let's see what it will give us. Can you see 3x3 lines? Now let's give it 3x20. Let's give it 2. So now we have 3 vertical line, and is that vertical or horizontal? So 3 slant line and 3 straight line. So and 20 straight lines. So now I just want it back at my 3x3. Yeah, thank you. Now we'll adjust it. Click on the settings, click on a line, drag it the way you want it. Just drag it. I'm sorry, this video is not going to be the way I want it to be, because we have to touch all these things. How are we going to say we've touched introduction to graphic design introduction to Pixellab and we are unable to do this? So this is the magnet options. Now if we click on the magnet options, can you see what I'm saying? Can you see that is actually snatching it from my hand? It's snatching the design and owning that red line, showing that it has magneted to that line. So if I bring it down now, can you see that? Bring it here. Can you see it? So that's how that one functions. And going off that, you can undo it. Now to this one right here. Yeah, this one. This is our layer here. this one is the one that will show us where all these things are positioned, where they are on the design. So if we click on it, can you see that this guy is showing right here?